Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Poco F4 GT, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll to the sounds and vibration. Here scroll a little bit down and you'll find here the silent mode section. Just to activate silent mode, you should click here once on the switcher, and to turn it off, click on the switcher again. Also, if you want, you can mute the media in silent mode. Also, we have the second way how we can do that. Just by swipe the ringtone volume panel to the left side, we can see that the silent mode also is activated. To turn it off, once again, unmute the ringtone and notification volume panel. Also, we have the third way how we can do that. Just first open the notification panel right here and tap once on the bell icon, and now we can see that the silent mode is activated. To turn it off, click on this icon again and we can see here the message that the silent mode is off. And one more just method how we can do that. Just press up or down one button. So, and after that, click here on this bell icon to activate the silent mode, and to turn it off, once again click on the bell icon. And just one more method, just press here the power key on the right side of your device for a couple of seconds, and you can also activate here silent mode by click on this bell icon, and to turn it off by click on the icon again. So as you can see here, we have a lot of different just methods to turn on or to turn off the silent mode, so you can select now one from this method. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.